Harrison. Let's show everybody how you can crawl. Whoa, who's that? That's Monty. Monty, come here, lie down. Come on, Harrison. Come on over. Come on over, you can do it. You're doing it. You're doing it. Yes, good job. Oh. Come on, get your ball. Get your ball. You see your ball? Get your ball. Monty, that's not your ball. Go away. Oh, come on, Harrison. Come on. Let's go. Let's get those legs moving. Show the world what you can do. Haha. Good job. Good job. And you made it. There's Harrison's toy box. It's got a lot of toys in there. And here you go. Here's a little help. There you go. Harrison, what do you want to get out of your toy box? Okay, he's got someplace to go. Okay, here he's on the move. Okay, we can't let him go too far. See you later.